Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So let's get started. To draw a cute Rudolph, let's start by drawing his nose. So let's come right here and we're going to draw a big oval. So I'm going to start with a curve and I'm going to round it off and connect it at the bottom. Nice big nose. And then we're going to color that red, so when you color it, just leave a little highlight right at the top. So then from there, let's come to the side right here. We're going to draw a circle for the eyes. So just come about right here. Draw a circle. And same thing over here. So about right here. And let's go in there. I'm going to make these Draw So Cute eyes. So come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. Okay, so we have the eyes in. Let's come above each eye and we're just going to draw a slight curve above each eye. And then let's come to the bottom of this nose and we're going to draw a sweet smile right underneath the nose. So say about right here, I'm going to start and curve up. And I'm just going to cap it off. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's start to draw his face. So I'm going to come to where we started with the eyes and come out a little bit. So say about right here. And I'm going to start to draw a curve. So same thing over here. And now we're just going to bring this around and come right underneath the mouth area. So let's bring this curve down. So about right there. Just drawing a curve under and connect it. So this part's a little bit flatter right under the mouth. And connect. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go up. So this part's going to be taller now. We're going to go up and come in. So same thing right here. From there, let's go ahead and connect it with a curve. So come up here. And my center is going to be about right here, so that'll be my highest point. About right there, and I'm going to start to come down. There, we got his head in. And so then in this area, so it's not so empty, I'm just going to come in here and just draw two curves for a tuft of fur. And then let's make him look like a reindeer and give him some antlers and ears. So we're going to come to the edge right here and start right about here. And I'm going to draw an ear, so curve, and bring it down. And I'm just going to come to this point and just bring in a curve. So same thing on the other side. Right here. I'm just dragging some points across, so just approximate where the other ear should go. Right there, and then bring it down. So once again, the curve inside. And now the antlers. So come right next to the ear. So I'm going to start, say, about right here. And here, put my antlers right there. And I'm going to come up with a curve. And bring it in. And another one, taller one. Go up. Same thing, round it off. And bring it right back in. So same thing over here. So you should go about right there and there. And don't worry if it's not the same. It doesn't have to be. You just want to approximate same size. So right there, bring it in, just like the other side. And go up. And come back down. There, something like that. Okay, so now he looks like Rudolph, right? Of course, you have to color this red. It looks really weird right now because it's not colored in. But I will soon. Okay, so then from there, after we've done the head, let's come down, and I'm having Rudolph wear a little scarf. So let's start about right here, right underneath the nose. And this part is going to come out a little bit more. So maybe the center of his eye, we're going to draw another curve. So let's just come in here. And I'm going to round it off and draw a scarf. And from this point right here that I have this part is going to come out. It's going to curve out, and then right under here is going to curve down for the chest. Make this a little bit. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this part out. I'm going to give it a little dip and then come up slightly. And let's bring this down. So I'm just going back and forth so I can kind of figure out how far to bring this. So about right here, I'm just going to start to curve it in. So this is going to be the back of Rudolph. I'm just going to bring this down. So now it's pretty much the same level. We've built a base for the body. And now we can go ahead and bring this down. And continue. So we're still building this kind of ovalish shape right here. Okay, so now I'm going to work on this front legs first. I'm going to bring this in. And right underneath the nose, about right here, I'm going to start with the legs. So I'm going to come in with a curve. So it's going to curve in and then come out a little bit. So about right there, I'll stop. And the back line. Just following the front. And right here, I'm going to draw the hoof. So it's just a zigzag. And come in here with a curve to finish it off. And the one in the back. So same thing, just going to kind of follow the front. I'm going to end a little bit higher. And once again, zigzag and curve. So from there, I'm going to continue this curve. Imagine it going through. So, right, oops. But before I finish that curve, let's come to the back right here. So about right here, I'm going to kind of start to flare it out. And let's come about right here. I'm going to start to draw the back legs. And this part's going to come in. And it's all going to come together. And now let's curve it out. Once again, and we're going to end at the same level as the front legs. So about right there, we'll end. And just follow your curve. So once again, zigzag and curve. So now we can go ahead and finish this curve right here and just tuck it in. And now the back legs. So same thing. Bring in the curve, and then end a little bit higher, and zigzag. There. Okay, so then now let's draw his little tail. So about right here in this area, curve up, and zigzag, and one big curve that comes in. And then let's finish up this scarf. So you can decorate your scarf however you like. I'm just going to add some stripes. Classic stripes for our scarf. And then I'm going to add the tail of the scarf. So about right here, I'm just going to curve out one and then another one, just to give our drawing some movement. And add your stripes. And the little parts that come out of the scarf at the ends. And then I'm just going to add 3 little circles right here. I think those are like a pattern indication for a reindeer. I think that's what it is. And that is pretty much it for my drawing of Rudolph. But if you want to give him some scenery, you can come down here and put him some snow. So just some curves, random, big and small. So there, hope you love this new Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer drawing and inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw Stick 2 videos. See you later.